If waiting years isn't your style and you want results today, watch this. Today is about flipping a switch. If the next 24 hours go the way I'm about to lay out, your life doesn't slowly improve, it changes modes. If it doesn't, you already know what happens. Same days, same thoughts, same stagnant life. So yeah, this is do or die. This isn't about motivation. It's about today. Just today. Not fixing your life, not reinventing yourself. One day, run properly. If today runs differently, tomorrow has something to copy. If it doesn't, nothing changes. That's the deal. Let's be honest about how your days usually go. You wake up mentally tired. You check your phone without thinking. A few minutes disappear. You plan to start after breakfast, then after work, then when you feel ready. By night, your brain feels used up, but your life didn't move forward. You weren't resting, you weren't working, you were leaking attention. That's not chaos. That's an unorganized system. At night, it hits you. You're scrolling, you're bored, you're tired. And you think, I know what to do. Why don't I do it? You had time today. It just went everywhere. Tomorrow already feels heavy. That's not failure. That's design. Your day has no structure that forces action. So here's the shift. Stop thinking in weeks. Stop thinking in life plans. Think in days. One clean day at a time. You don't need discipline for a lifetime. You need structure for today. Machines don't become reliable by trying harder. They become reliable by running the same simple process every day. That's what we're building. Why 24 hours works. Your brain understands short contracts. A day feels manageable. It doesn't trigger resistance. You're not promising consistency forever. You're organizing one day. Tomorrow can worry about itself. One rule. Today is not about doing more. It's about removing friction. You're not pushing the engine. You're aligning the parts. Step 1. Slow the system down. First few hours, reduce noise. Put your phone on airplane mode for 3 hours. Nothing important breaks. Your attention finally settles. Clean one small area around you. Order in your environment creates order in your head. Then write down the excuses that keep looping, the same ones you always use. Seeing them on paper breaks their authority. Step 2. Close the old loop. Look at your last 30 days. Patterns only. What keeps repeating? Write one sentence. I don't run my days like this anymore. Fill in the behavior you're done repeating. That's not motivation. That's a boundary. Step 3. Run a simple daily system. This is the entire system. 3 actions. 1 physical action. Walk, stretch, light movement. 1 environment reset. Make your bed, clear your desk. Prepare tomorrow. 1 finished task. 1 thing fully done. No optimization, no upgrades. If these 3 happen, today counts. That's discipline. Boring. Organized. Reliable. Why this works? Your brain learns through repetition, not intensity. Each completed day is proof. You stop seeing yourself as someone who struggles. You start seeing yourself as someone who runs their day. That identity shift happens quietly. Step 4. Focus block. Pick 1 task you've been avoiding. Set 90 minutes. No phone, no switching. Work until the timer ends. You're not trying to win the day. You're just finishing 1 block. That's how organized people work. Step 5. Close the day cleanly. Before sleep, answer 3 things. What worked today? What felt simpler than usual? What will I repeat tomorrow? Short answers. Then say this. Tomorrow I run the same day again. That's it. This is what discipline actually looks like. Not intensity, not pressure, clarity. Order, repeatability. 1 day done properly is better than a month of planning. So here's the question. If your life improved by running today correctly, how many days like this would it take to feel in control again? Just 1 day at a time. 1 day changes the direction. Repetition makes it permanent. The next video shows how to run this again without burning out. Check it out. Then stop overthinking and execute.